Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber. Today I'm gonna show you 3 transitions you gotta use on your videos.
Yeah, it's the European swag. They take a classy bitch to Paris, friend. She get cleared by the man. Don't want me to leave every girl I got plans.
Before I start, make sure to follow all my socials down below. And I did just drop a transition pack on my website, so go make sure to check it out. It will save you a lot of time, and some of the effects in this video are in this, so make sure to check it. So I got these clips from a Concrete Boys music video. I'm just going to throw in a few effects in between it. Some of these effects are in my preset pack, so getting that will save you a lot of time. It is down below, and I will drop a discount code as well. So the first thing we're going to do is make a new adjustment layer and just bring it down in between your clips. So I'm just going to use these 2 clips. I'm going to make this adjustment layer very short, just 2 frames long. And the first effect we're going to go to is going to be exposure. Once we get our exposure, we turn it up a lot. Maybe just mess around. I'll bring it up to like almost 6. And then we go to directional blur. We drag it in. And then we turn up the blur length. High number, something like this. So this is like the most basic transition you can use, but it's the most effective. I'll use this one a lot. It's just so clean and simple. These are my pack as well, but this effect is so clean and simple. It's just 2 effects, so easy to use. I spam this on a lot of my clips, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Yeah, that's super clean. We can go to the next clip now. So another transition I love to use is a zoom in and a zoom out. So we're gonna have to mess around with graphs in this. So we go to our second clip, we go to the start of it, we can press I. I'm just gonna hide this right here, and we're gonna scale it. We can go to scale, pick our scale, go to the end of the clip and turn it up a lot. Let's just go to 400. Alright, what we can do now is select these 2, press F9, and then we go up to this graph editor right here. Now we can mess around. So what I like to do, grab this, drag it like that. So what this does is you kind of time your scale. So you could have it scale at the very start of the clip all the way to 100. Like look. But what we're going to do is we're going to drag this here, so it scales towards the end of the clip like that. And we can mess around with it, drag this back a tiny bit, drag this out. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go to our second clip, do the same thing. We're gonna keyframe it and bring this keyframe to the end, and then turn this up to 400. We're gonna do the exact same thing, but this time, go to graph editor. We're gonna drag this down. Drag this up. Mess around with it again. Time it how you like, and let's turn on motion blur. I recommend motion blur on this. It will look a lot cleaner. Let's check it out. There, super clean, super clean. After the third clip, I'm gonna do a freeze frame type of transition. So what we're gonna do is duplicate this layer. We're gonna go to time and freeze frame. We're gonna grab our mask tool. We're just gonna mask her out, so give me a second. Cool, this is a really rough mask, but we're just gonna drag this clip out so that you can see. We can mess around with the feather a tiny bit. We'll just go here, mask, and just turn up the feather a bit. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna have to have her slide in. So we're gonna go to the start of this clip, press P for position, keyframe our position, go to the start of this clip, and drag her to the left. We can have her coming in from the left. So we can turn on the motion blur as well. And we could do a directional blur as well, so it just blurs it more. We're going to turn the direction to 90 degrees. Turn this up. And oh, hold on. It is coming in too slow. So we're going to drag this keyframe a bit closer just so it speeds up. Cool, and then we can cut the clip out Come around here. Alright, so this is how the transition looks, but it doesn't have enough impact, so we need to add a shake. We're gonna add a little shake to the start of this clip. We go to the start of it, turn on motion blur, mess around with the frequency and amplitude. We'll turn down the amplitude a bit, turn on the frequency, go a bit further down to the clip, bring the amplitude down to 0. So let's check it. So as I said, I did drop a transition pack. It is super easy to use. There's no presets required, and I do have a discount, so go make sure to check it out. I have a discount code down below in the bio. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want anything else like this, just let me know.